You're bidding on an Ammco, I believe this is a 3000, I don't know, whatever number it is. It's a combination disc drum unit. Looks like it's in pretty nice shape. We haven't cleaned it. I don't believe in cleaning it. I want to show it as it comes, how we got it. This is what it is here. Very nice unit. Here's tooling. I'll have individual shots on it also. It's got some surface rust on some of the items. It's not heavily pitted. It'll clean up real easily. Cutter, everything works on it. Goes in and out. The only problem that we have is we had an accident the other day and a piece of equipment fell against this lever and cracked it off. We can replace it. We would charge for it, or you could replace it yourself. It takes a set screw. Everything is functioning. There's a set screw there. I'd have to order this from Ammco, and I would charge whoever buys it what it costs, or you can discount the price and get it yourself. It functions. It's just that this here locks it. This is like fast, off, and slow, and right now, you know, it's not performing. Or you could, this is spring loaded, you could put a piece in here. I don't know what happened. The spring is still here too. At any rate, turn them on. It's a nice quiet machine. As you can see right now, we've got the draw going. Why don't you speed this up? Unscrew this and turn this. See how fast? See how it's turn? Turn it and hold it. The set screw, that's slow.
Okay.
Okay, and then if you turn this, see how fast it's going? Okay, then you have to turn that set screw there, right there. That locks it. Okay, so you can see the feed is working fine. And then do that side there. Pull it towards me as fast. Okay, and then in the middle is stop, and then the back is slow. Just pull it back. Just, yes, it's moving. It's just, that's for a finished cut. You know, if you hold it back, and what that does is it locks it in fast, slow, or off. The boots are nice. Pretty nice machine. Little bit of TLC and you'll have yourself a nice piece of equipment. I'll have individual shots. Good luck bidding.